हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम प्लस टू के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। प्लस टू में आपका चैप्टर डिटर्मिनेंट चैप्टर 4 इज़ गोइंग ऑन। इन दिस चैप्टर एक्सरसाइज 4.4 इज़ गोइंग ऑन। अदर ऑल हैज़ बीन डन। दिस लेक्चर नंबर 11 on this chapter 4. Okay, 10 lectures over, everything over in this chapter. It is the end of the chapter 4. Okay, now after that miscellaneous exercise will be there after this exercise. Now in this exercise question up to 15 has been done. Now today is 16. As 15 similar 16 question, 15 I have told you have to do. I have explained everything. Now you will get the help as 15 similar as 16. So 16 question, if A equal to 3 by 3 square matrix, verify that A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I equal to 0. We have to verify this. This is the matrix equation. And hence, after that, and hence find A inverse. And hence means from this matrix equation you have to find the inverse of A. Okay? Now, how? First here, if you have to verify this first, so take A cube value. A cube value, A into A. So we have to find first in the solution, we have to find first A cube. A cube means A square into A. Okay, this we have to find. And first you can find A square. A square is equal to A into A. Okay, A into A means 3 by 3 matrix multiply with the same matrix 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2. Okay, this multiply with the same A into A means 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1 and 1, minus 1 and 2. Okay beta, this product we have to do. Okay, now this product how can solve? Multiply. You know how can do multiply? First row with first column, corresponding element product sum. First element will come of the product. First row with second column, first row with third column. Similarly you have to do second row with again first column, second column, third column. Then third row again that multiply and corresponding element product and sum. Okay, of all the product. Now first row with first column, check, direct I am doing. See here, 2 into 2 4, minus 1 into minus 1 1, 4 plus 1 5, and 1 into 1 1, 5 1 6. So first element is 6. Okay beta, like this do fast. Now with second column, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 2 minus 4 and minus 1 minus 5. Second element. अब थर्ड कॉलम के साथ 2 1 या 2, minus minus plus 1 3 and 1 into 2 3 2. Then 3 plus 2 5. Be careful in the sum and the product. Okay, second row start. Similarly, then minus 1 into 2 minus 2 and 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 and minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 4 and minus 1 minus 5. Be careful. Okay, now with second column, minus 1 with minus 1, 1, 2 with 2, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, minus 1 with minus 1, 1, 5, 1, 6. After that, with the third column, minus 1 with 1, minus 1, 2 with minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 हो गया, minus 3 and minus 1 into 2, minus 2, तो minus 3 and minus 2, minus 5. Okay, now third with again similar, third with first column, 1 2 is 2, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 and 2 1 is 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Now with second column, 1 into minus 1, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3 and minus 2, minus 5. After that with third column, 1 1 is 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 2 is 4, then 6. Okay, clear? Now this product, this is a square. Now here a square into a cube also find. A square is 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5 and 6. This is the value of a square. Then a square into a. So into a is your 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and 2. Okay beta, multiply with this, then this will be equal. So a cube value will be equal, multiply again these two matrices, first row with first column, first row with second column, first row with third column, and similarly second row start and similarly third row. So similarly we have done. So 6 2 is 12, direct I am doing. 6 2 is 12 and minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5, 12 plus 5, 17 and 5 1 is 5, 17 plus 5, 22. ठीक है बेटा, clear? I am writing directly product sum, corresponding elements with row with column. ठीक है बेटा? Now first row with second column, 6 1 is 6 minus 6 and minus 5 2 is 10, minus 10, minus 6 minus 10, minus 17, sum minus 10 minus 6 minus 16, sorry, minus 6 and minus 10, minus 16, minus 16 and 5 1 is 5, minus 5, minus 16 minus 5, minus 21. थर्ड कॉलम के साथ 6 1 is 6, minus 5 minus 1, product is 5, 6 plus 5, 11 and 5 2 is 10, 11 and 10, 21. Now second row similarly, minus 5 2 is 10, minus 10, 6 1 is 6, minus 6, minus 10 minus 6, minus 16 and minus 5, minus 16 minus 5, minus 21. Okay, now with second column, minus minus plus 5 and 6 2 is 12 plus 12, 12 plus 5, 17. 17 and minus 5 is minus 1. 17 and plus 5, 22. Now with third column, minus 5 1 ja minus 5 and minus 6, minus 5 minus 6, minus 11 and minus 10, minus 21. Third row start now. 5 2 ja 10 with first column. 5 2 ja 10 minus 10 plus 10 and minus 5 minus 1 plus 5. So 10 plus 5 15. 15 and 6 1 ja 6. 15 and 6 21. Now with second column. 5 1 ja 5 minus 5 and minus 10. Minus 10 minus 5 minus 15, minus 15 and minus 15 and minus 6, minus 15 minus 6, minus 21. Now with third column, 5 1 ja 5, minus 5 minus 1 plus 5, so 5 plus 5, 10 and 6 2 ja 12. 10 and 12, 22. This is a cube. So a cube here and a square here. Use these to verify. So LHS a cube, LHS a cube. A cube means this. A cube means 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21 plus 22 minus 21. Third row, 21 minus 21 and 22. This is a cube, LHS, put a cube. Minus 6a square minus 6 into a square. A square is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5, then 5, then minus 5, then 6. This is a square and then plus 9a, plus 9 into a. A is 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1 1, then minus 1 2 minus 1, minus 1 2, minus 1 1 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 2. This 9 into a minus 4i, minus 4i. I means here 3 by 3 others matrix, so subtraction and addition with the same, so it must be 3 by 3. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is I. We can say 3 by 3. N is equal to 3. So I 3. Okay, because others all are 3 by 3 matrices. So addition and subtraction with the same order. So I here we have to take 3 by 3. If others 2 by 2, then I take 2 by 2. Okay, always in the addition and subtraction. Okay, now very simple. Simplify how? Corresponding element minus, multiply and plus. So once I can do multiply and then okay, this as it is. ठीक है, ये एज इट इज़ लिख लिया हमने. माइनस 6 की मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, अंदर प्लस कर दिया. 6 6 जा 36. ओके बेटा, माइनस 36 माइनस माइनस प्लस 6 5 जा 30 and minus into plus, minus 6 5 are 30, minus 30. Okay, then 6 5 are 30 plus 30, फिर minus 6 into 6 minus 36, minus 6 into minus 5 plus 30, then minus 6 into 5 minus 30, minus 6 into minus 5 plus 30, and minus 6 into 6 minus 36. This, फिर plus 9, multiply with 9, 9 2 जा 10, 9 1 जा 9, minus 9 and plus 9, then 9 1 जा 9, minus 9 and 9 2 जा 10, 18 sorry, 9 2 जा 18 and 9 1 जा 9, minus 9, then 9, then minus 9, then 9 2 जा 18. Okay, and 9 2 जा 18 here also. Okay beta, 9 2 जा 18, 9 1 जा 9, 9 1 जा 9. This now, and minus 4 into I, then 4 प्लस कर दो एंड माइनस 4 कर दो अंदर, माइनस 4 की मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, 0 minus 4 0 0 0 minus 4. Corresponding element add all. Okay, add 22 minus 36 plus 18 minus 4. तो minus 36 minus 4 minus 40 and plus 28 and 18, 28 and 18 40. ठीक है बेटा, तो 40 minus 40 then 0. Now second element, minus 21 plus 30 minus 9 and 0. तो minus 9 and minus 21, तो minus 30 and plus 30 then 0. Similarly, you will see third element, 21 minus 30 plus 9 plus 0. So 9 and 29, 30 and minus 30, 0. So like this, you can check all will be 0. Then equal to 0. Equal RHS, 0 matrix. Hence proved. ठीक है, hence verified, hence verified. Done. So like this we have to do like question, very important. Now other part, hence find A inverse. Now A inverse we have to find. ठीक है बेटा, now A inverse. From this matrix equation, because we have verified it is true, it is true. So for the truth matrix equation, if you want find A inverse, if you want to find A inverse, then what is the process? Okay, this is important thing. Without adjoint, without adjoint and the determine the value of A, without that formula, how can find A inverse? With this, so this is one technique. Multiply या operate A inverse both side in this equation. In equation we can operate both sides, same thing. So now this now take this A cube minus 6A square plus 9a minus 4i equal 0. Okay, operate A inverse. Operate A inverse in this, then what will come? A inverse into A inverse into A into A square minus 6 A inverse into A into A plus 9 into A inverse into A, 9A minus 4 A inverse into I equal A inverse into 0. It will be equal to 0. Okay beta, clear this? Now simplify. We know these three formulas कि A inverse into A is equal to I, और कहीं पर A into I होता है वो A हो जाता है. ठीक है, यूज दिस. ठीक है. नाउ A inverse A is I, then I into A square, again I into A into A minus 6 I into A plus 9 A inverse into A is I minus 4 A inverse into I, A into I is A, यानी A inverse is equal to 0. Okay बेटा, now take this negative that side, तो we can say 4 into A inverse is equal, ये पॉजिटिव उधर ले लिया, ये एज इट इज है. ठीक है, तो I into A is A, तो A into A inverse A is I into A is A, I into A is A and into A, यानी A square will be there. ठीक है, minus 6 I into A या A into I, both is equal to A. ठीक है, तो 6IA also minus 6A plus 9I okay. This then A inverse A square we can put here, we have find out in the last question. Again A square we have to check. ठीक है, then it will be A inverse is equal to 1 upon 4. 4 will go and divide that side, and A square means this into this same. ठीक है बेटा, क्या बनेगा? फर्स्ट रो विद फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो विद सेकंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो विद थर्ड कॉलम, सेम A इंटू A. तो 2 with 2, 2 to जा 4, minus 1 with minus 1, 1, 4 1 5 and 1 1 जा 1, then 6. A square will be 6. Then first with second column, first row with second column, तो 2 with minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 with 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4 and 1 into 1 minus 5, then it is minus 5. After that third column के साथ 2 1 या 2, -1 -1 1, 2 1 3, and 1 into 2 2, 3 2 5. This is a square is coming. Now second row with first column. तो -1 with 2, -2 corresponding element, -1 with 2, -2, ठीक है बेटा, -2 and 2 with -1, -2, तो -2 -2 -4, ठीक है बेटा, and -1 with 1 1 -5. Now second row with second column, ठीक है बेटा, -1 with -1 1, ओके बेटा, 1 and 2 2 जा 4, 4 1 5, 5 and -1 into 1 -1 1, 5 1 6. Now third कॉलम के साथ -1 1 मल्टीप्लाई -1, 2 with -1 -2, तो -1 and -2 -3, -3 and -1 into 2 -2, then -5. Okay, then third row with similar first column second, so third 1 into 2 2, -1 into -1 1, 2 1 3, and 2 1 ja 2, then 5. Then with second column 1 -1 and -2 -3 and -2, -1 -3 and -2, again -1 -1 -2 -3 -3 and -2 -5, and this will be 6. You can see we have done in the last question also a square, ठीक है, now only recently. तो this बेटा a square आ गया, -6 into a is this, तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 6 2 जा 12, डायरेक्ट आई एम राइटिंग बेटा, तो -12 आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई -6, आउटसाइड प्लस ले लिया, ठीक है बेटा, -6 से मल्टीप्लाई, -6 2 जा -12, -6 1 जा +6 and -6 minus +6 and -12 and +6 and -6 and +6 and 6 2 ja 12, -12. ओके बेटा, सी है साइन चेंज, और नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो गया, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो गया, ठीक है बेटा, 6 ओके, -6a हो गया, +9i, +9i मीन्स बेटा 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9 +9i, सॉल्व किया बेटा, तो a इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू 1/4, पहले सबको इनको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, ठीक है बेटा, एडिशन 6 कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट सम, 6 -12 + 9, तो 9 + 6 15, 15 - 12 3, ओके, now -5 + 6 +1 +1 +0 +1, ओके बेटा, थर्ड एलिमेंट 5 -6 -1 -1 +0 -1, सेकेंड रो -5 + 6 +1 +1 +0, then +1, then 6 second element, 6 -12 -6 -6 + 9 -6 + 9, हाँ जी 3 -6 + 9 3, Now third element, minus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0, then plus 1. Then 5 minus 6 minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Minus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 6 plus 9 plus 3. This divide by 4. So this divide by 4 in each element. Okay beta? Then 3 by 4 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 3 by 4, then 1 by 4, okay, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Answer. Okay beta, we can find like this inverse, very important and long answer question is there. Okay, now next question number 17 we have to do. This is completed inverse also and verification also. Next question, question 17. Optional questions are there. 17. Let A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3 by 3. Non-singular means beta? Non-singular. Okay? Non-singular means determinant of that matrix is not equal to 0. Then non-singular है. Let A be a non-singular. Okay? अब नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स के लिए ध्यान देंगे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 है आपका नॉन सिंगुलर ए बी ए नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स ए नॉन, आई टोल्ड दिस इन द डेफिनेशन, अगेन यू कैन राइट non-singular. A be a non-singular square matrix. Non-singular square matrix. Okay beta? Square matrix of 3 by 3 order, of 3 by 3 order. ठीक है बेटा, it is given. इसका मतलब, so we know कि determinant of A if non singular not equal to 0. ठीक है, 0 नहीं है. So this implies A inverse exists. This implies A inverse exists. ठीक है बेटा? We know, ठीक है बेटा? A be a non-singular matrix of order this given. According to this given, we can write this. Okay? After that what saying? Then adjoint of A determinant is equal. Then adjoint determinant of adjoint A is equal option given. What option? A option. What given? Determinant A. B option. Determinant A square. C option. Determinant A whole cube. And D option. D option A 3 into determinant A. 3 into determinant A. This. Okay? How can find? This we know. One formula. ठीक है? I told this. Now you can write. Okay? Determinant A we know that determinant A not equal to 0. तो determinant A की वैल्यू क्या बनेगी? If A is 3/3 matrix, we know that determinant of A is 3/3 is equal to 3/3 matrix, n is equal to 3. So means 3 common from each. So then determinant A is equal to determinant of adjoint of A. इन दोनों में रिलेशन है. What? Determinant A adjoint of determinant A is this power n minus 1. This formula. Okay? This formula you have to remember. To use this means determinant of adjoint of matrix A will be equal to determinant A power n minus 1. N is here 3. N is given here 3 order. 3/3 order. So then 3 minus 1. Then it will be determinant A power 2. Answer. So it is here B part. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. ठीक है बेटा, डन. नाउ नेक्स्ट 18th. Last question number 18. Question number 18. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, A is invertible matrix of order 2. ठीक है बेटा, A is invertible matrix of order 2, मतलब inverse exist. Invertible means inverse exist. Okay, means we know A inverse into A is equal to I. We know for इन्वर्टेबल मैट्रिक्स ए, ठीक है, इन्वर्टेबल फॉर इन्वर्टेबल मैट्रिक्स फॉर इन्वर्टेबल मैट्रिक्स ए, ठीक है. वी नो दिस सॉल्यूशन इन्वर्टेबल मैट्रिक्स सेइंग, तो व्हाट आस्किंग, n is 2, order is 2, n is 2 given, order 2 by 2 की मैट्रिक्स है, ठीक है. देन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इनवर्स, determinant of A inverse, this equal option given, A option, what, determinant A, B option 1 upon determinant A, C option 1, D option is 0. These options given, option question. So you see that beta, how can check here which option is correct? What is given? This we know. इन्वर्टेबल मैट्रिक्स के लिए ऑर्डर यहाँ पर 2 है, ठीक है. तो अब हम क्या कहें, इसको हम बोथ साइड डिटर्मिनेंट ले लें. Taking determinant both side, determinant of I is equal to determinant of A inverse into A. बोथ साइड डिटर्मिनेंट ले लिया हमने, ठीक है बेटा. तो डिटर्मिनेंट A इंटू बी, डिटर्मिनेंट A इंटू डिटर्मिनेंट B वी कैन राइट. तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A इनवर्स इंटू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A is equal to determinant I is I, ठीक है, that is 1, determinant I is 1 because determinant I value is equal to 1, ठीक है बेटा. Okay, so this implies A inverse we have to find determinant of A inverse, we have to find, multiply will go in divide, so 1 upon determinant of A. Done. So which option this? What is the value of determinant of A inverse? That is 1 upon determinant A. So B option is correct option. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, ठीक है बेटा. बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन, यानी 1 अपॉन डिटरमिनेंट ए. डन. सो लाइक दिस वी कैन डू. दिस एक्सरसाइज इज ओवर. नाउ यू watch, take interest, like, share and subscribe the channel and forward the video to the maximum contact, and subscribe the channel, and not forget to send the feedbacks and guide to others also, where you sending the videos to the friends or in other contact. Okay, they must subscribe the channel and send the feedbacks in the comment box. That is important thing. Okay, thank you.